What is it?
Because I'm hungry. Can you please give me 10 naira? Let me use it to buy groundnut so I can use it to soak curry.
I don't have money. I can see you are not hungry. There are some persons out there that are even begging just to see Gary to eat. You have yours. You are looking for groundnut. As for the 10 naira usas, let me answer you again. I don't have. Go.
They could not even make a damn payment.
What is it?
I'm not expecting any female visitor again this house today.
Usas, are you under me or I'm under you? Okay, let me answer you correctly. Yes.
I said it because anytime you are expecting female visitor again this house, you will hide your money. Fear will not allow you to use the money. When the girl comes, you use the money to buy her shawarma and suya and even more, and she will have a takeaway. But beer bank not get withdrawal. Beer bank not get.
A town hall different from Blue Bulaba.
It's true. Children's brain is empty. Whatever they see, stick to it. Hello? Yeah. Where are you now? Oh, that junction. You know, say that they construct the road. Man, that caterpillar not letting us pass. You know what? I will ask, tell my younger one to come and pick you up. And I'm asking my boy, don't worry. I'll describe it for you. Which you wear? Okay, white and white. Usas! Usas! One of my friends is at Uwadiae Junction, near that tractor that is walking on our roads. She wore white and white, and she's not that dark, but fair complexion. Go and show her the way.
Bros, what about the 10 naira I asked you to do?
Am I paying for you going for an errand? Am I paying for it? I mean, go!
Cassava, àgbàdo, corn in the morning, yam in the afternoon. It's growing here. You create demand and consumption.
Simple to go here. Talk about minutes. How many minutes now?
Who gave you the money to buy the food?
Your friend gave me, since you refused to give me 10 naira to buy groundnuts.
Well, it's your luck. Where is she?
You said I should show her the way, so I show her the way to her house.
Multiplication.
What did you just do? You show her the way to her house. How? you tell her?
I told her that you are a Puma rapper.
See, this tatafo you just did, this tatafo is going to kill you. Are you okay? Are we met? Which has he finished with this one? Look, this has will not complete to us. Do you hear me?
You're supposed to be thanking me for destroying your beer bank.
Bulaba.
Some of your mates are busy investing their money in good business. Why do I invest your money in beer bank? Bros, beer bank. The beer business not get withdrawal. Beer business is a bad business.
Yeah. Whatever you call it, I don't care. Let me tell you. This tatafo you just started in this house, I'm going to destroy you. Are we mate? Are you okay? Look, I'm going to give you two options. Two options. One, either you go back to your mom's house, or you are going to stay in this house for 7 days. I don't go and follow my elders. Are you okay? Do you know what you just did? Who are you to tell me what to do?
See who I'm even trying to help. Keep shouting.